Why did Mom put this box on our table?
I don't know. It's so cool. Look, it's got a cute little deer. Look at the air. Oh, it's so cute.
Let's open it.
That's so cute.
It's like,
Huh. That's strange.
it's got these great.
Kate, that's your second favorite color.
It is. It's orange. More. Are you kidding me?
Paper for me.
Are you kidding? Oh. Gray.
I knew it. That's why I had the deer on the front.
Please begin your journey by opening your brown envelope that is attached to inside the box lid.
Okay. So it said open that. Huh. Strange.
Yeesh, that's a lot of reading. I don't think I can read that all in.
You're funny.
Okay. I think that gives us a hint. It's deer facts. You want to
I'm
read?
reading them tonight. I'm thinking these. Well, maybe when.
Nothing? Oh, wait. One more.
Okay.
And more.
Oh, I want to. Can I look at this?
Yes.
Whoa!
It shows everything. Step by step screenplay for it.
Kate, you looking at this?
Yeesh, nice.
Isn't this cute? There's a little ball.
Now,
Now.
now we open. Gray, it is a deer. A deer.
Gimme. Alright, the deer is still right.
There's another one.
Deer.
Wooden blocks.
What is the block?
Can I know?
Wait, don't open it. Okay, you can open it. No, man.
It's fine. Wooden blocks, jeez.
Okay. One block over
There
here.
you go.
Okay, thank you. I'll use that for some.
Gray, what do you think these are?
Bark.
Tree.
Wood.
Yes.
It goes in the
Whoa,
wood
look at
pile.
the sack. Could be inside the sack.
Let's save that for later, guys.
Ah! It fell.
Okay. Gray, look, Gray.
Whoa! I'm gonna. Oh.
Don't you just love trees?
Okay.
Whoa.
Oh man.
Sand. Hey, it's like leaves, little leaves too, more plants.
Yeah, it's like a plant. Okay.
More wood.
More wood.
Ooh, sticks.
Cool. Okay, I'll just put that in the wood pile. Oh yeah, this goes in the plant.
Clay?
Clay?
It's clay.
Oh yeah, it says it right here. That was rock dots. No, it's clay. Yeah, reasonable clay. Huh, I didn't see that.
There's something at the bottom.
Reasonable? I don't know what that says.
Oh, more sticks.
But I do know it says clay.
Is that a tree branch and it's supposed to be there? Yeah. There you go. More trees. A lot of string too.
Ooh, can I have those, kid?
Oh.
Gimme.
Huh?
I don't know about this. But what does this have in
We're going to save that for later.
Okay.
Yay.
Look at that.
I think there's a bag.
Over here. A bag? Oh, for all this, I think. I'm gonna put that down there.
Well, that's it. Thank you.